Hello there. Welcome to Lesson 3 of Module 3 in the Innovative Excellence course, created by Kenel, your innovative and excellence partner. Today, we are unlocking global efficiency secrets, the real habits, systems, and rhythms that top teams use to scale. And more importantly, how you can apply these lessons right here with the tools you already have. Let's dive in. Across the world, from Lagos to London, Nairobi to New York, the most successful teams share one truth. They don't rely on talent alone. They build flow. They build systems. They build rhythms that make excellence predictable. Efficiency is not cultural. Efficiency is universal. Many local businesses believe global systems don't apply to them. They say, we don't have the budget. We don't have the tools. We don't have the time. But here's the truth. Global companies didn't grow because they had money. They have money because they built systems that scale. Hustle creates survival. Systems create growth. You don't need Amazon's budget. You don't need Google software. You don't need Toyota's factories. You need three things: clarity, knowing what matters most; consistency, doing it the same way every time; courage, to break old habits and adopt new systems. Global lessons only work when you adapt them to your environment. Adaptation is the real superpower. Amazon runs on a powerful ritual called the Weekly Business Review. Every week, teams gather to review performance metrics, identify blockers, assign owners, track commitments, celebrate wins. This rhythm keeps the entire organization aligned, from interns to executives. You can replicate this with a simple weekly checklist and a 15-minute review. Rhythm creates reliability. Reliability creates trust. Google automates everything repeatable, not because they can, but because they must. Automation protects their time. Automation reduces human error. Automation frees their minds for innovation. You can automate sales tracking, staff attendance, inventory updates, weekly summaries, using tools you already know, like Excel. If a task repeats, it should be automated. Toyota transformed global manufacturing with one principle: make work visible. They use visual systems to reduce waste, prevent errors, and increase flow. You can apply the same principles with color-coded dashboards, visual task boards, simple SOPs. When work becomes visible, problems become obvious, and solutions become easier. Visibility is the foundation of improvement. The Kunu Aya, Zobo, and Chin Chin Hustle didn't buy expensive software. They adapted global secrets using local tools. Excel dashboards replaced enterprise systems. WhatsApp groups replaced Slack channels. A simple weekly review replaced complex meetings. The result? Clearer decisions, faster communication, predictable performance, real growth, global excellence, local execution. Pick ONE global habit to apply this week: a weekly review rhythm, an automated report, a visual task board. Start with one, master it, then add the next. This is how global teams build flow, one habit at a time. Transformation begins with one consistent habit. This wraps up our lesson on global efficiency secrets, the real habits that top teams use to scale. In our next video, we'll explore how accountability drives excellence and how to build it into your culture. You don't want to miss it. Remember, you can know more, be more, do more, and achieve more with less. Thank you for watching.
Hello there, I'm Kenel, your partner in innovation and excellence. Thank you for watching Friday Finish. Join the next video.
Remember, you can know more,
Be more.
Do more.
and achieve more with less.
For personalized and corporate trainings, operational excellence, systems setup, business analysis, project management, and workflow optimization, contact P-Cube Academy today. Let's help you build what matters.
Subscribe now, and let's continue to lead with innovation and excellence.